Oh, visibility. That kind of looks like a drone shot, probably. Something similar. It is hot. Yeah. I told you I got everything. It doesn't rub in very well in the beard. It's fine. More protection. What is this guy about to do? They all like stop and laugh. They're gonna do something stupid. Like backflip. That'd be cool to get on jump. Do it, Trey. Oh, it's fucking hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can switch it up. It's like every other run we go back to the car to change. I think I don't have to go back to the car. We just read it somewhere. We just get my sweatshirt. And if they do, oh well. We got plenty of sweatshirts. It's like I heard people talking, but I couldn't see them. They kind of look like trees. Boy. Let's take it off right now.
It's hot. So hot.
We are baking! Baking in the sun. This would be a pretty serene shot of just the going up the lift and mountains and stuff. A little music to it, mute my voice. If you're enjoying the view, hit that like button. I think there's that in there somewhere. Just have to like talk on this thing. Like do all the things that I might want to say so that my voice sounds the same and I just move it. There's no wind right now, so.
Although I'm guessing the microphone won't pick it up as well behind you.
Probably not. We'll see. You could just like talk into the mic. Hold the camera and talk into the mic with it. It's clear. Say everything I want to say. See some storm clouds going in.
Yeah, it's a thunderstorm.
Yeah. Which is fine. We've had a good day skiing. If we get ran out, we get ran out. Definitely not going to snow. Too hot for that. You need thinner waterproof gloves so you do more spring skiing.
So,
Yeah. Maybe they have hiking gloves like that. I didn't think about that. Like thin waterproof. Not too warm, just waterproof.
they would be waterproof. They just need to be resistant, so they won't get soaked.